Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to create products inside the HubSpot product library using the full 2026 setup. The product library is where you store all your services, subscriptions, and physical products, so your sales team can quickly add them to quotes, deals, and payment links. To get started, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign in to your account. Once your main dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. From the top navigation bar, click Commerce, then select Product Library. Depending on your HubSpot plan, you may also find this under the Sales tab. When the product library opens, you'll see a list of all your active and archived products. To add a new one, click Create Product in the upper right corner. A new product form will appear. Start by entering your product name, internal SKU, and a short description. Keeping descriptions clear helps your sales team quickly choose the correct items when building quotes. Next, choose your pricing model. HubSpot supports one-time pricing, recurring subscriptions, and unit-based pricing. Enter your price, select your currency, and add additional units if needed. If your product is a subscription, scroll down and choose a billing frequency, such as monthly, yearly, or a custom billing cycle used by your company. You can also assign the product to categories to keep everything organized. Optionally, upload a product image or add internal notes explaining how the product should be used. Once everything looks good, click Save Product. Your new product is now available across HubSpot. You can add it to quotes, insert it into deals, or attach it to payment links for fast checkout. You can also duplicate or edit products later if pricing or structure changes. And that's it. That's how to create a product inside the HubSpot product library using the 2026 setup. With organized products, your sales team can move faster and deliver consistent offers every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.